Hey everyone, how's it going? So with all the popularity of the different types of Among Us skins, I thought it would be fun to try something new. So today I want to show you guys how to draw James Harden in an Among Us skin. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our Among Us James Harden, we're going to begin right here. And we're going to start with the face shield. I'm going to start here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out. It's going to come around like this, and we're going to go back up. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and I'm going to curve it up to here. Then I'm going to make a bumpy line that's going to go down. It's going to come over, and it's going to come up to here. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and up. Next, starting right up here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come over, and I'm going to bring it down like this. And then starting here, I'm going to make another line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and then up. Make a line that goes over. I'm going to go down, over, and then bring it up to here. Starting here, we're going to make the little pack. We're going to go out. I'm going to come down, and I'm going to bring it over like this. I'm going to draw a little line across here, and a little line across here. And then I'm going to make a little line that goes right across here with one more. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that curves up. And I'm going to add a little bump right here to make it look like he's wearing a jersey. Starting here, I'm going to make a little kind of rectangular shape here with a little line across. And then we want to add the kind of James Harden mohawk. So to do this, I'm going to start here. We're going to make kind of like a bumpy line. It's going to go up and to here. I want to make a line up here. It's going to go up. It's going to be kind of bumpy, and it's going to come down to here. Then starting here, we're just going to add a little curved line right there. And there you go, there is your drawing of a James Harden Among Us character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.